Want fast and professional cleaning of your vehicle fleet? MacGregor, QLD-based Innova Services Group announces the launch of its new fleet cleaning services. The firm provides expert cleaning to operators, buses, coaches, trucks, trailers, trains, and aircrafts. It uses environmentally friendly cleaning methods to protect the planet and to ensure that your passengers will not be exposed to harmful chemicals. Understanding that different clients have different needs, the firm can create bespoke cleaning and maintenance schedules for you. Regular fleet cleaning helps prolong the service life of your vehicles, saving you a significant amount of money in the long run. Moreover, well-maintained vehicles are easier and faster to inspect, making deployment more efficient. Learn more by visiting innovaservicegroup.com.au.